Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix access denied in Zarchiver. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. First, you open your Google Play Store app and you search for Zarchiver. You will see this one developed by Devs. Just click on install and wait for it to install successfully. And as you can see, Zarchiver has already been installed. We can now open this application. Upon opening Zarchiver after you install it, you might encounter this access is denied message. Now there are two ways to fix this. The first method is by opening your phone's settings and scrolling down until you see apps. Here in the apps, look for Zarchiver. When you find Zarchiver in your apps, just click on this and scroll down until you see app settings and permissions. As you can see, no permissions allowed. Click on this and then click on storage and select allow. Once you see storage permission is now allowed, go back to Zarchiver and check. Now the access is denied message is gone and you can actually access your files here in Zarchiver. If the Zarchiver method doesn't work, open Google Play Store again and search for files. From here, click on this one by Mark Apps and Software, install this. After the installation is finished, click on Open, and here you should see your files. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.